Today we're going to be talking about YouTube channel ideas that you guys can start without showing your face. When it comes to YouTube, it's a lot. I think some people will get in their own way because they are really scared to show themselves on video and put themselves out there for possibly thousands of people to watch them, and that can be a little bit terrifying. And yeah, it's a lot. Yeah, so in today's video we're going to be just talking about YouTube channel ideas that you guys can start today that you don't ever have to show your face unless you want to. So let's get started. So the first YouTube channel that you guys can start is something with journaling or bullet journaling. In bullet journaling, no one cares about who's behind the camera. They're there for the bullet journal itself or your journaling. You don't have to show your face. If you guys look at any of my bullet journals in the past, my face is not shown. You see my hands and that's about it, but you don't ever have to show your face. So that is one option for you guys. Another one is a editing or tutorial based channel. So if you guys are really good at video editing, if you're good at editing Instagram photos, or you're really good at like making Lightroom presets and stuff like that, those are channels where you don't have to show your face. So people are there to see how you video edit. People are there to see how you edit your YouTube videos, how you edit your Instagram videos, how you use Lightroom. So no one cares about this. So if you want to start a YouTube channel where you're showing how to edit or how to do stuff on a computer, of course you guys know you can screen record on any type of Apple products already have that screen record capability built into its software. In the case where you don't have a Apple product and you have a PC, I would totally suggest Loom. Loom is a screen recording software that you guys can use, so I would totally suggest Loom. You guys have a Samsung or Android based phone to record your actual phone, I would suggest an app called DU Recorder. That is what I use to record anything that I'm recording on my Samsung phone. So that's Android. So those are options for your PC and for your Android phones if you don't have Apple products. Again, Apple products already have that capability of screen recording built into its software. So yeah. So another YouTube channel idea that you can do is an art channel. If you're really good at drawing, painting, and stuff like that, start an art channel. One channel that I follow, I've been following her for years, is Mini Small. She does show her face on her channel sometimes, but for majority of it, she's just showing her art. And again, people are there to see your art, so they don't really care about seeing your face. They're there to see your art. So that's another channel option. Another one is like a GoPro channel. Say for instance, you just like doing bike rides. You can literally put a GoPro on your bike and just go riding around the city or whatever the case may be. Like again, if you're really adventurous, you can show yourself doing these things without actually having to show your face. So GoPro like style videos would probably be the way to go. You can start a gaming channel. With gaming channels, people are there to see the games. You don't ever have to show your face. Again, you could just do commentary on what is going on in the video, what is going on in the game. And that's just a way that you guys can start a channel without showing your face. Right now, Animal Crossing is really big. So if you have a Nintendo Switch and you have Animal Crossing, there you go. You can start a DIY channel. So DIY channels are super popular here on YouTube. Again, if you know how to sew or something like that, start the channel. You don't ever have to show your face. You're DIYing something. People are there to see that product. They're there to see the product. So yeah. Another video channel idea that you guys can start is a vlog or a silent vlog. A friend introduced me to these type of vlogs. They're really soothing. If you guys are really into like ASMR or like stuff like that, these videos are even more soothing and will like just, they're so relaxing. But they're basically like vlogs where you just don't show your face. Like, you don't ever show your face, you're just showing stuff that you're doing. Almost think of like if Wizard Kelly from the Proud Family started like a vlog, a YouTube channel, and started vlogging. It would basically be that. They're like, again, they're really soothing. I'll leave a link of some of the ones that I follow down below in the description, so you guys can check out those videos. Another channel idea that you guys can start is a product review channel. If you're really into tech, you can just show yourself, you know, trying out tech products, you know, testing things out. Again, some people do like toys, so like product reviews for toys for kids. Again, people are there for that product and they're not there for you, so you don't ever have to show your face. You can just do voiceovers of the product, you testing out the product and stuff like that, so you don't ever have to show your face. Another channel that you guys can start is a compilation channel. These channels are really popular and get so many views, and you never see the person that actually started the channel. Like, you just don't see that person. Very popular compilation channels are TikTok compilation channels. Those are super popular right now. You can just do a compilation of anything really, but TikTok ones are super popular. Another channel that you guys can start is a cooking channel. A cooking channel, you don't ever have to show your face. You're there showing the food, the recipes, all of that stuff. So they're there to see the food, the recipe. Any video where you're giving value, you can show that in a presentation form. So if you guys ever put together a PowerPoint or something like that, and say for instance you're talking about, I don't know, how to grow on YouTube, you don't have to show your face of you telling or explaining people how to grow on YouTube. You can literally do like a PowerPoint type of video. You don't have to show your face, just make sure that the graphics are nice, and that's a way that you can get across that information. Another option is an animation channel. So if you guys are really good at animation or drawing or something like that, why not show whatever you're trying to get across in an animation or a drawing? And lastly, you can start a photography or travel like footage channel. If you got a drone and you like doing drone shots, why not put that in a video format? If you have a bunch of pictures that you have taken and you want to show those off, why not put that in a video format? So that is it for this video. That is the way that you guys can start a YouTube channel. You don't have to show your face. Maybe you will build up that confidence to eventually show your face. But if you want to start a YouTube channel and the only thing that's holding you back is that you're shy or scared to put yourself out there, believe me, there's always ways around it. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.